It's the way that we rock. I'm from the bottom, so I aim for the top. And you crazy in the mind if you think I'ma stop. And I'm young, black, and living, still dreaming a lot.
Back to my channel, XOXO Sheba. Today's video, I'm going to be taking this wig with bangs from Sensual Vella Vella. This is Esther. I'll link it down below in the description box if you want her. I'm going to take this wig and I'm going to put it in a top knot. I've seen so many videos of people doing this and I want to try it. I've been wanting to try it. I just never got around to it, so today is the day. Before we get into the video, you guys already know, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss an upload from your fave. Okay, so first things first is I'm just gonna pull out the fangs that already come with the wig. Do I want fangs? I feel like I'm gonna have to have them though, or else too much is gonna show. This wig doesn't have any combs, so we're gonna see how this works out. Like, no combs at all.
First things first, flipping it over, and then I'm going to brush it out, brushing it forward so it will fit nicely into the ponytail. So then I'm just combing out the bangs, making sure everything's good, but then I realized my fangs I put into the ponytail by accident, so I went back and did it over again, this time sectioning them out better and pinning them down. Then I re-put it back into the ponytail once again. So now I'm twisting it into a tight twist so that I can wrap it around for the bun. And then I stick my bobby pins in it to secure it and hold it down. And then can't forget about them edges. Go ahead with your toothbrush and lay those down as well. Then I decided I didn't really want those long pieces of hair, so I just mixed it back in with the bun. And then this is optional, but I thought it was a cute little touch to add the bandana to go with my outfit. And there you have it. That is how you do a cute little messy bun with your synthetic wig.